Connecting Asana to Outlook via the official add-in streamlines workflows by turning emails into tasks, attaching messages to projects, and automating notifications. It requires an Asana account, free or paid, and an Office 365 subscription, commercial plan, not supported for on-premises exchange. Compatible with Outlook Web App, Outlook 2021 or 2019 for Windows or Mac to latest versions, and Microsoft 365 on Windows 10 Plus. Setup takes maximum 5 to 10 minutes. Access Microsoft AppSource. Open your web browser and go to appsource.microsoft.com. Search for Asana for Outlook, or visit directly via Asana's site, asana.com, apps Outlook. Install the add-in. Click Get it now or Add to Outlook. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Follow on-screen instructions to grant permissions. Asana will access your emails for task creation. Add to Outlook, web, or desktop. In Outlook, open an email. Click the 3 dots in the toolbar, Get Add-ins, search Asana, Add. The add-in appears in the Outlook ribbon or top bar. Sign in to Asana. In the add-in pane, click Sign in and log in with your Asana credentials. Authorize the connection. Test the integration. Open an email. Click Create Task in the Asana pane. Assign to a project, set due date, and save. To attach, click Related Tasks. Search, Attach Message. Advanced options, automations via Zapier or Relay. For deeper sync, for example auto tasks from flagged emails, connect via Zapier. Free tier available. Rules. In Outlook, set rules to send Asana updates as emails.